Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the Samsung Galaxy A54 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, remove the faulty front facing camera from the body. Next, disconnect and remove the faulty front camera from the logic board. Next, place and secure the new front facing camera into the board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.